Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our blue planet, specifically what secrets the red planet Mars holds? In the grand theater of the cosmos, one celestial body has long captured our collective curiosity like no other. Our neighbor in the solar system, the enigmatic red planet Mars. For centuries, Mars has been a beacon of intrigue for astronomers, scientists, and dreamers alike. It's not just its strikingly red appearance that sets it apart, but the tantalizing possibility of what it might reveal about the universe and our place within it. Throughout the history of space exploration, numerous missions have embarked on the epic journey to unlock Mars's secrets. These missions have used rovers, landers, and orbiters to study the planet's surface, atmosphere, and potential for life, both past and present. Each mission, each new discovery has been a stepping stone, building our understanding and fueling our ambition for deeper exploration. Remember the Viking missions of the 70s? They were the first to land successfully on Mars, sending back images and data that forever changed our view of the red planet. Then came the Mars exploration rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, which outlived their planned lifetimes by many years, offering profound insights into Mars's geologic history. And who could forget the Mars Science Laboratory mission, with its car-sized rover, Curiosity, still roving and revealing? But it's not just about what's been discovered. It's about what's yet to be found. The potential for groundbreaking discoveries on Mars is immense. From signs of ancient life to understanding the planet's geology and climate, the possibilities are as vast as the Martian landscapes themselves. And the story of Mars exploration is far from over. In fact, it's entering perhaps the most exciting chapter yet. As we speak, space agencies around the world are planning and preparing for a new wave of missions to the red planet. Each one is designed to push the boundaries of our knowledge and take us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Now let's rocket through time and space to take a sneak peek at the future Mars missions. First up on our interplanetary itinerary is NASA's Mars Sample Return mission. A daring endeavor. This mission is setting its sights on achieving something that's never been done before. Imagine for a moment a robot reaching out its mechanical hand, scooping up a handful of Martian soil, and then sending it across millions of miles of space back to us here on Earth. That's the Mars Sample Return mission for you. This mission's primary objective? To collect and return samples from Mars. But it's not just about bringing back souvenirs from our celestial neighbor. The samples hold keys to unlocking Mars's geological history, and perhaps even the existence of life on the red planet. Every grain of Martian soil, every rock, every trace of gas could be a clue, a piece of the puzzle that helps us understand this alien world. Who knows what secrets lie hidden beneath the surface of Mars? The Mars Sample Return mission could redefine our understanding of the Martian landscape. Next, we have the Mars Ice Mapper mission, a collaborative effort from 4 space agencies. This mission, led by NASA and supported by the Canadian Space Agency, the Indian Space Research Organization, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, aims to map the ice deposits on Mars. It's an endeavor of global proportions, all aimed at one distant red planet. The goal of the Ice Mapper mission is to provide detailed understanding of the Martian ice. This knowledge could be invaluable for future human missions, as it could provide a potential source of water for astronauts visiting Mars. Additionally, studying the ice could reveal new insights into the planet's history and climate, enhancing our scientific understanding of Mars. But it's not just about the science. The Mars Ice Mapper mission is also about laying the groundwork for the future. By identifying potential resources and hazards, it's helping to prepare for the day when human feet might touch Martian soil. The Mars Ice Mapper mission might just pave the way for future human missions to Mars. Third on our list is the European Space Agency's Mars Terrestrial Return Vehicle mission. This ambitious venture seeks to accomplish something never done before: return samples from Mars to Earth. Just imagine Martian soil examined right here on our home turf. This mission is particularly fascinating because it holds the promise of groundbreaking discoveries. The samples brought back could reveal secrets about Mars's geological history, helping us understand how this distant red planet evolved over billions of years. And let's not forget, these samples could also hold clues to the most tantalizing question of all. Is there, or has there ever been, life on Mars? The Mars Terrestrial Return Vehicle is more than just a space mission. It's a monumental step towards unraveling the mysteries of our solar system. It's not just about reaching out to the stars, but also about bringing a piece of them back home. The Mars Terrestrial Return Vehicle could provide us with invaluable Martian samples. Last but certainly not least, we have SpaceX's ambitious Mars Base Camp mission. The mission is audacious to say the least and goes beyond mere exploration. SpaceX's vision is to establish a permanent human base on Mars. Yes, you heard it right. A home for humans on the Red Planet. This isn't just a pipe dream or science fiction. SpaceX's founder, Elon Musk, has been quite vocal about his plans to colonize Mars, and this mission is a crucial step towards that goal. The Mars base camp will serve as a launchpad for humanity's future endeavors in space, allowing us to reach even further into the cosmos. However, creating a permanent base on Mars is no small task. It requires overcoming numerous challenges. For starters, Mars has a harsh environment with extreme temperatures, a thin atmosphere, and high radiation levels. The mission will need to find ways to shield astronauts from these harsh conditions and to provide them with food, water, and air, all in a place millions of miles away from the nearest grocery store. But with every challenge comes an opportunity for a breakthrough. Establishing a Mars base camp could lead to advancements in technology and science that we can't even imagine today. It could revolutionize our understanding of space travel and open up a whole new frontier for humanity. Moreover, the mission has the potential to answer one of the most profound questions we have. Are we alone in the universe? With a permanent base on Mars, we could conduct extensive research and perhaps even find signs of past or present life on the Red Planet. The Mars base camp mission is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless quest for knowledge. It's a bold leap forward in our journey to become a multi-planetary species. The Mars base camp mission could potentially mark the beginning of a new era in human space exploration. It's a mission that could change everything we know about ourselves and our place in the universe. So buckle up, folks. The journey to Mars is just getting started.